Ciao Restyler. Restyling our home one step at a time.
And go.
Hi everybody. Hi. Welcome back. Long time no see. And you've never met before officially. Eva. Oh, she wants to look at the details on the door. Hi everybody, and welcome back to our channel, The Restyler. I hope you are all well. It's been a while, and since you last seen us, we have a new addition to the family / the Restyler family too. Our first mini Restyler, Eva Rose.
Say hello, Eva.
She's distracted by other things at the moment. Hi Eva. Say hello, Eva Rose.
Hello.
Oh, nip slip.
Hello.
Say hello, Eva.
Oh, there you go.
Hello. Oh, Papa. So here's our beautiful Eva, and she's almost 7 months old at the moment. And I'm officially off my maternity leave, so we're full back into it with a very appropriate video for Eva to be in because it's her nursery. So thank you for joining us. And this is our nursery tour. I hope you guys like it. And without any further ado, let's get into it. So I'm just going to do a quick chatty walkthrough of the nursery, explaining a few more features of it. So let's go. So obviously we start off with our change area. This was a vintage change table that we stripped back and painted white. We did have to reinforce it because it was a bit weak and rickety before, and now it's quite sturdy. Here we've got our nappies. These are amazing. We've switched the cloth when she was about 1 month old, and these are the brand Eco Naps if you're interested. And if you want to hear more about our cloth nappy journey, then just comment below and I'm happy to reply, or if you're interested, make a video at one point. So it's all pretty straightforward. It's just some, extra accessories, nappy creams and samples down here, and then just some like wipes and disposables for when we need it on the pinch here, etc. if we do need to use them. And then also here's her little footprint handprint. That's just a mama sentimental moment there. Super cute. Anyway, moving on. Here we have the wardrobe. And we have her drawers, again, secondhand, and we painted them. Well, we sanded it back, painted them, and then I made and added on these handles out of actually a leather belt. Well, faux leather belt actually. I have a video, I did film me making them, so if you'd like, I'm happy to put that up at some point too. So they look like little bows in rose gold because that's what I wanted and I couldn't find them. Then obviously just some little decor here. I made this little sign and I actually made this before she was born and we knew we were going to call her Eva Rose. Here we've just got her little socks, which we attach these baskets to the wall with some hooks. We've got her little headbands and dummy chains and stuff in there, and then we've got her little socks and mittens in the top one, which is good for easy access. We've got her clothes here and hanging up as well, some toys and other pieces and blocks and stuff in these baskets here, so for additional storage. And moving on to the part that I really love, especially about this nursery, is Darby there helped make / execute my vision to have a sliding bookshelf. So I thought we needed some extra space in this nursery and I didn't want it to feel claustrophobic, yet I did want to have and store some books because that's really important with a nursery. I feel I grew up around books. I wanted Eva to grow up around books. I still do. And yeah, so we just whacked these up. We did film it as well, so we can make a separate video if you like, but these were very simple and easy to make, and they actually do store a ton of books. The other reason I really like it is because one day when she's older, what we can do is put her books that she can easily access, and that is for her age group and age appropriate at the time, down lower because she can reach those. And you know, the ones that are a bit further up her age level, then we can put higher up because she doesn't really need to access those. So that's what I thought. So here we've just got a little basket which we use for her dirty laundry. We just chuck it in there. And we've got a little hoof for your feet when you sit down. And when I feed her, etc. on the lovely IKEA armchair. This is such great value for money and it's so comfy. Would totally recommend it. Not even just for a nursery, just in general. Also, you can actually buy rocker adapters for these exact chairs off Etsy and other places. This is a bit awkward, but so for this wall, I really just wanted to put a piece of artwork. I was originally going to do a painting or a picture, but then I had this brainwave of an idea, and I did this Peter Rabbit display shadow box. I've made a whole video on this and how I did it, if those of you who are wanting to do something like it and you have some old figurines. Moving on to the cot is just a cot we got for free. We picked up secondhand. It's just solid wood. We stripped it back and then we painted it. I mixed this color myself because I really wanted it like a minty blue green color. And then I distressed it with some sandpaper just to get a bit more of a rough, rustic look. And also because I knew that it would probably get scratched up anyway. So I thought might as well start the process and make it look intentional. And then for the canopy, we just got a pair of IKEA cotton curtains and added this bunting which I got offline. And last but not least, we've got the back of the door where I just got some hooks to hang things up. At the moment it's purely decorational, but you know, I always had the room in my mind for growth. And we've got a clock on the wall which is really important for feeding times at the beginning especially. And also it's just nice to have a clock on the wall. And then over here, some more hooks, obviously, where we store our baby bag and sling and stuff like that. And just some additional storage where we keep her muslins and bibs and all sorts, blankets and bathware, and we keep pretty much everything related to Eva in here.
And so there you have it, guys, Eva's nursery room tour. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as we did making it for you guys, and I hope that it has inspired at least somebody out there in some way. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask down in the comments below. I'm finally getting back into YouTube again. I've missed you guys. Thank you so much to all my new subs. I really appreciate the support, and also for my oldies but goodies. Thank you so much for all your support and constant love for me and our family as well. And if you're new here and you like what we do, then please by all means hit that subscribe button and join our Restyler family. We'd love to have you. Also stay tuned as we now have tons more videos coming your way. I hope you all have an amazing day, amazing week, and God bless each and every one of you, sending you all our love. And now to end this video, we're going to leave you with some funny bloopers of us making this room. Until next time, thanks for watching and ciao for now.
So here we have Franco, my brother, with his shirt on, very kindly coming on his day off and undoing the bed for me, for us, as David is working today. So, goodbye bunk bed. Mommy's helping me clean. Thanks, Mom.
How is my little granddaughter? Hello.
Oh, no, it's not coming to the
Just not with your hands. Hey! First, nice.
Finished.
Woohoo! It's so nice to actually see it in the space.
It's gonna look so good. I'm so excited. Yeah.
All that work painting it to just take the paint off.
Dad, welcome to the life of shabby chic. Or French province.
Or just like.
Can I just suggest something else too?
It's not wrecking it, it's deconstructed.
Can I just suggest something too?
Mum. Doesn't really fit, so.
We're gonna do it this way.
Okay, so we've decided to change the plans and shuffle all the furniture around. But this is actually was my original hopes and plans and thoughts for the room, so I'm really happy with it. So, cot's here. Dad? Yes, I've already started to put everything in. Look at the little outfits, how cute! My dad rocks. Super cute! Super cute! My dad rocks.
Super cute!
My daddy rocks.
Super cute.
And so this daddy will rock too.
Super cute. But
David
super
is going to
tired.
go and sleep. No, God! He knows it won't hold his weight.
Here's a bed for David there.
No, that's Franco's bed when he stays over.
And David goes to sleep by David there.
It's probably more comfy than our bed.
Probably better than your bed.
This actually would make a really good photo shoot.